1975 Porsche 914 2.0. Price $29,950. Location Ohio, USA. The 1975 Porsche 914 2.0 proves that true sports cars don't have to shout to make a lasting impression. Finished in its original factory Laguna Blue paint, code L50C. This matching numbers classic captures the spirit of Porsche's golden era. Built by Karmann and originally delivered to California, this beautifully preserved example combines timeless styling, lightweight engineering, and an engaging driving experience that continues to win over enthusiasts nearly 5 decades later. If you're searching for an affordable entry into the world of classic Porsche ownership, this 914 deserves your attention. The power comes from a spirited 2.0-liter flat-4 engine paired with a smooth shifting 5-speed manual transmission. Thanks to its mid-engine layout, the Porsche 914 offers exceptional balance through corners and remarkable road feel. 4-wheel disc brakes provide confident stopping power, while the signature pop-up headlights and classic single exhaust complete the unmistakable Porsche personality. Every drive reminds you why the 914 has become one of the most respected hidden gems in Porsche history. The exterior showcases authentic German craftsmanship with chrome trim, Bosch front fog lights, factory-style 15-inch steel wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich tires, and a full-size spare neatly stored in the front trunk. One of the car's greatest features is its removable Targa roof, allowing drivers to switch effortlessly between a sporty coupe and an open-air roadster. Whether cruising coastal highways or attending a weekend cars and coffee event, this Laguna Blue Porsche turns heads everywhere it goes. The interior remains true to its original design philosophy, blending simplicity with functionality. Comfortable dual bucket seats, classic VDO gauges, a 4-spoke steering wheel, air conditioning, manual windows, map pockets, an analog clock, and practical storage compartments create a cockpit focused entirely on the driving experience. Every control is positioned exactly where a sports car driver expects it, delivering an authentic connection between driver and machine. One of the biggest advantages of this Porsche is its documented maintenance history. Included with the sale are service receipts totaling $6,936.33, covering work completed from January through August 2023. These records demonstrate careful ownership and consistent maintenance, giving buyers additional confidence in the car's mechanical condition. The original jack is also included, adding another touch of authenticity for collectors. The 1975 Porsche 914 2.0 continues to gain recognition as values for classic air-cooled Porsches steadily climb. Its combination of matching numbers, desirable factory Laguna Blue finish, California heritage, removable Targa roof, and documented service history makes this example especially attractive.